My name is Tiffany Lobdell, Artistic Educator with PRAVANA. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a dimensional cronette utilizing HydraGloss. So let's get started. Section the hair into two sections, from the middle of the forehead to the nape of the neck. I wanted to create a very simple but yet very dimensional look, which is why I chose to only create these two sections. It makes this technique very unique and easy to replicate. Starting at the nape of the neck, take a diagonal back section from each side of the head and apply two back-to-back foils of the lightener formula of Pure Light Power Lightener in 10 volume. The Power Lightener is one of my favorite lighteners to use anytime I'm doing highlights. It's the perfect consistency of 1 part lightener to 3 parts developer. The reason why I do the 2 slices back to back is to create more of a bolder dimension, especially in the back of the head and towards the face. When she has her hair down and pulled forward, this is where you're really going to see that pop of color. The first 2 sections in the nape of the head, I did back-to-back foils, but as I move up the head, I only do 1 slice. Leaving 2 inches in between each section, continue taking diagonal back partings. The partings are going to start getting a little bit wider, which is why you're going to need to do at least 2 foils side by side as you continue moving up the head. For my very last diagonal back parting, which is closer to the top of the head, I tease my slice and apply my lightener. I wanted this top part to be more seamless and to look more of like a balayage, which is why I teased this section versus doing a regular slice. This way, when the hair is down, you're not going to see any harsh lines. The Crunette hair color trend mixes the dark hues of brunette hair with the warmth of copper. I wanted to create a simple but yet dimensional version of the super popular Crunette color. For my dark, rich base, I chose to use HydraGloss. 35 grams of 4NT with 35 grams of 5NT and 0 lift developer. Applying the color at the top of the head, working the way down. The gel consistency makes it really easy to spread and apply between all of the foils. And just wait till you see the end result. You are going to be blown away by the amount of shine that the HydraGloss gives. Process the hair for 20 minutes at room temperature and shampoo the hair using my all-time favorite Color Protect shampoo. This amazing antioxidant formula immediately stops all color oxidation. Now that we have this gorgeous, rich base color, it's time to turn those pre-lightened pieces into a mix of buttery and copper caramel highlights. Making sure that the hair is damp, starting at the nape of the neck, taking diagonal forward sections, saturate the copper formula over the pre-lightened section. For this formula, I incorporated the NT series to tame down the brightness of the copper. Dropping down the next pre-lightened section, apply the HydraGloss formula of 9GBV. I'm so obsessed with this formula because it creates a light, soft, buttery blonde that's going to add the perfect amount of brightness to the look. As you work your way up the head, alternate the formulas. This is how you're going to achieve that very beautiful dimensional mix of colors that enhances the overall cronette. HydraGloss is a progressive demi-permanent color that can be applied on dry or damp hair and processed up to 20 minutes. I applied the base color on dry hair to give more depth, and I applied the highlighting formulas on damp hair to have more control and to create a lighter effect. After 15 minutes of processing the highlighting formulas, the color was exactly where I wanted it to be. As you shampoo, this is a great time to discuss how the Color Protect regimen will protect their color up to 30 washes. Look at this incredible shine and this gorgeous color from using HydraGloss. To create this voluminous blow-dry look, I used large Velcro rollers to set the hair, and then I polished it off using the hydroporal oil. To add a little extra pop of color, I added a few clip-in extensions using PRAVANA Vivids. Thank you so much for watching my technique. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did. Make sure to follow me at Vivid Hair Creations and PRAVANA for lots more education and inspiration. Thanks.